What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have 3 cheap dividend stocks to buy. I need to buy more. I own all 3. Very attractive right now. The revenue and dividend growth are solid. I'm going to just go over the revenue trends and their dividend history. I'm going to be very brief. I don't want to get too much in detail. I've went over these before. These are very popular dividend stocks. Many of you probably have them in your dividend portfolio. So I'm going to just be very straightforward, very basic for today. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these 3 dividend stocks out right now. And that dividend stock is Wendys. And I made a post on X, so you got to follow me on X for daily posts because I post things about this. And of course, it's not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. But I love Wendys. I've been buying Wendys. They're sitting at 1901. Dividend yield of 5.26%, a PE ratio of 20.38, average volume 2.79 million. By the way, they're busy all the time. And by the way, I'm probably amped up on a bunch of caffeine. I just finished my workout. I got a cup of coffee in me, strong coffee, so I'm all amped up. Average volume 2.79 million. The market cap is 3.92 billion US dollars. Year range is 1819 to 2390. At one point, it was doing very well against the S&P, and it's stagnant right now. If you look at the past 5 years, it's in the blue. It's not doing too hot against the S&P. Day range is 1899, 1934. Previous close is 1930. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends, and I'll show you their dividend history. The revenue trends have been very strong. So annually in millions US dollars, 2017, 1,223, 2018, 1,589, 2019, 1,709, 2020, 1,733, 2021, 1,896, and 2022, 2,095. So it did increase in revenue. I'm going to show you some more information on them. Most recent report, October 2023. This is quarterly, okay, the quarterly reports. It was 550.56 million, okay. The year-to-year change, it was up 3.38%. Operating expense ratio was down 0.12%, big deal. It was 94.30 million. Net income 58.05 million. That was up 14.85. Net profit margin was way up at 11.06%, and that was 10.54. Earnings per share 0.27. That was up 12.50%. I like it. That's the most recent thing in October 2023. Now let's jump to its dividend history. And again, before I start going over the dividend trends, my videos are free for you, so make sure you subscribe so you watch free videos. I'm going to try to almost post daily videos. I'm going to try 6 to 7 a week for right now. So 2011, it was 2 cents. 2012, 2 cents. 4 cents. 2013, 5 cents. 2014, it was still at 5 cents to 6 cents. 2016, 6 cents to 7 cents in 2017. This is when they start jumping up and going crazy. 2018, 9 cents to 10 cents in 2019, finishing at 12 cents. And then you see the pandemic, it dropped down to 5 cents. Then all of a sudden in 2021, it went back to 12 cents, jumped to 13 cents in 2022, and they cracked 25 cents in 2023. So it looks like, according to Zacks, they have a high payout ratio. Again, with their expansion, with their revenue and everything, I'm not too worried. A number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 8. Dividend growth in 5 years is 21.98%. If you bought 1 share, you made $1 with a 5.18% dividend yield. So again, things are looking strong. They have huge expansion plans. And, if something happened, I doubt that there'll be a dividend cut anytime soon. I'm sure they'll get their debt because they are trying to expand very fast. I read numerous articles. That's fine. This is a buy and hold forever dividend stock unless something drastically changes for me. Let's check the next dividend stock out. Next one is Franklin Resources. BEN is the symbol, Wendys, WEN, and BEN. So they're sitting at 24.20, a dividend yield of 4.96%, a PE ratio of 14.05, average volume 3.75 million. The market cap is 12 billion US dollars. Year range is 21.88 to 34.37. Day range is 23.95 to 24.33. Previous close is 24.29. They've been very stagnant, and this is why I need to buy more. I honestly need to buy more. I don't have enough shares to where I'm satisfied and I'm making enough to be happy with them. So this one thing that I said in previous videos, I may sell them on E-Trade and just throw them on M1 Finance because I have to focus on these guys. They are too attractive to say no to. I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. Recent trends have shown some improvement since 2020, and that's one thing that I've been focused on. 2020, this is annually in millions US dollars, 5,566. 2021, 8,425. 2022, 8,275. 2023, 7,849. A little bit of a decrease in revenue, but still the revenue trends are still attractive post-pandemic in 2020. So I'm going to jump to its dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2015. It's a quarterly dividend. It was 15 cents, 2016, 18 cents, 2017, 20 cents, 2018, 23 cents. And then you have a special dividend right here at 323. Don't count on that. 2018 then was again at 23 cents, 2019, 26 cents, 2020, 27 cents, 2021, 28 cents, 2022, 29 cents, 2023, 30 cents. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 3.50%. Again, a financial sector company is still doing decent with a payout ratio according to Zacks of 46%. Dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. So if you bought one share, you made 120 with a 4.94% dividend yield. That's a cheap dividend stock too. Now, I'm trying to explain my rationales as to why I'm buying it. Now, the revenue trends maybe a little iffy. We'll see how the earnings are in next year, but this is one I need to buy a lot more. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. The final dividend stock is FS KKR Capital Corp. FSK is a symbol, sitting at 1990. Its dividend yield is 12.86%, a PE ratio of 8.28, average volume 1.17 million. The market cap is 5.57 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1706 to 2080. Day range was 1979 to 1992. Previous close is 1987. So I'm going to go over a few things. Their portfolio is pretty strong. They're a business development company. They're a high yielder, and they're down. So I've been capitalizing on them. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. And again, with business development companies, you have to be extremely careful and do your due diligence when it comes to investing. Annually in millions US dollars, 2018, 394, 2019, 779, 2020, 639, blame the pandemic, 2021, 1,081, and 2022, 1,635. So the revenue trends are very good. Now remember, if you're new to this YouTube channel, business development companies, 90% of what they make go back to investors. Just be aware of that. Now let's jump to their dividend history. Check out their dividend history. I'm going to start in 2019, 19 cents quarterly dividend. 2020, 15 cents. And all of a sudden they crack 60 cents. Okay. 2021, 65 cents to 62 cents quarterly. 68, 67, 68. 2023, 70. And then you have a little nice dividend of 5 cents, and then 70 cents, and then 5 cents, and then 70 cents, and 5 cents, and then 70 cents. They made their announcement in 2024. So that is a pretty decent. Now it shows dividend growth in 5 years is negative 4.21%. That's the pandemic, and that's down here where there was a drop. And again, they're new. They're kind of a new business development company, but I'm excited to buy this one, see what happens. So if you bought one share, you made 256 with a 12.88% dividend yield. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 9. Payout ratio is 81%. Remember, REITs, business development companies, they're going to have a higher payout ratio. 90% of what they make have to go back to investors. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let me know what you think of these 3 dividend stocks. I will have a video for you tomorrow, and I'm going to have a collaboration video tonight, and I'll probably post a link for you guys in the future. So you guys take care and have a great Monday. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. If you're looking for investment advice, it is best to seek investment advice from a financial advisor or somebody to give financial advice that is certified. I am not certified, therefore this is entertainment purposes only. So don't expect me to give you financial advice. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So just be aware and make sure you do your due diligence. So this is my dividend investing journey. I'm very transparent with my buys, and I hope you enjoy my YouTube channel. So take care and have a great Monday.